Here's the TR3 engine running back in the car. The problem I'm having is I get just a wisp of water around the head there. And down on that web, comes out kind of head in the block and runs down. You see just a little bit on the corner of the head there. And I've had the head off. I had it checked for flatness again. I put in a new head gasket. I've retorqued the head bolts, and it doesn't quit. There was a while I thought it had quit. I took it for a couple dries and I didn't have any water, but it came back. So I'm thinking I got a cracked head or cracked block. Not good news. The other thing I should point out is I checked twice the height of the sleeves protruding out of the block, and it was right in the 2.5–3 mil range, which is what it should be. So shouldn't be the problem either. So don't trust the factory gauge that's 50 years old. I was really worried about my oil pressure, but it's good if I use the water gauge.